If you own a classic Mercedes-Benz W220 S-Class from the 1998 to 2005 era, you know the car is pure luxury, but its original cup holder setup is often a total disaster. This replacement unit from Genfort claims to solve that decades-old frustration by offering a perfect, durable fit. Let's see if it delivers. The first thing you notice is the build quality. Genfort went with an ABS and PC blend, which feels robust enough to handle daily abuse, unlike some flimsy aftermarket parts we've seen. They call it premium quality, and while it's still plastic, it certainly feels sturdy enough to hold a full mug or a large drink cup without flexing or rattling. This is crucial because the W220 interior demands components that look and feel OEM. The design is specifically engineered to match the reference OEM number 2,206,800,014, ensuring it's a direct replacement for the S-Class models. Installation is genuinely straightforward. If you can pop out the old, broken unit, which many W220 owners have had to do, this replacement slides right in, ensuring you don't need specialized tools or complex modifications. It's designed to be a quick setup, getting you back on the road, enjoying your coffee without delay. Functionality is where this unit shines. It's designed to be versatile, securely holding various drink sizes, which is a huge improvement over the often restrictive original design. Plus, it features that space-saving folding mechanism. When you don't need it, it collapses neatly, maintaining the clean lines of the W220 center console. When extended, it provides a stable platform. The dimensions are compact, measuring about 12.5 centimeters long and 12 centimeters high, and it weighs a negligible 0.18 kilograms, so it adds zero bulk. For anyone driving a W220 S-Class, this isn't just an accessory, it's a necessary quality-of-life upgrade. It restores a critical piece of functionality that often fails in these older luxury vehicles. It looks factory, installs easily, and finally gives you a reliable place to put your drink. If you've been living with a broken or non-existent cup holder, this Genfort replacement is an absolute must-buy. It's a simple fix that makes a huge difference in daily driving comfort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.